guys, welcome to the most stressful week of the semester, the finals week, which is the jury week. It's not even surprising that I'm starting this video at like 2 a.m. because I'm working on this presentation, which is our final submission for Sem 1. That is kind of crazy. It is a really long presentation because we have to put in all our 6 months of work, everything we've done in Sem 1 in this one presentation, and the submission is tomorrow. Wait, it's actually today. The submission is today and I'm done with like half of the presentation. I'll probably do the rest of it in the morning and submit it in the afternoon. It's getting a little too stressful right now, but let's see how it goes. So we have a jury break going on right now, which is like a month given for your jury preparation. So in case you want to refine your work or redo any of your projects, you can do that in this 1 month. And as you can see, no one really comes to college for this 1 month. But I do. I don't even know why. It's only for attendance. Anyways, while coming back from college, I went to a stationery store because I had to get some material for one of my models. I also found these very cute little Christmas tree ornaments. They are so pretty. Christmas is next week, like a day after my jury, so I thought I'll get these. In case you don't know what a jury is, or if you're new here, I am a design student and we have a jury at the end of every semester, which is basically like a final exam, but it's not a written exam. We have to present all the work we've done throughout the semester to a panel of like 3 to 5 members, and they can ask you any questions related to what you've done. Even though it's like the main final exam that we prepare so much for, it's only 25% of our final score. The rest 75% is on the basis of how we have performed the entire semester throughout all our courses. So I am kind of scared because it's my first jury and I have no idea what it's gonna be like. I'm done with the filing, labeling and stuff. I had no idea it was going to take so long. I also fixed this model after that, and it's going to be so difficult to carry this one because it's so delicate and I obviously don't want to risk it on the final day. So I'll probably just carry it separately instead of packing and putting it into boxes. Now, packing was another major task we had to do this day. So I got done with that and then I started working on the final jury presentation. This PPT only had a few selected assignments that we were asked to present on the day of jury. That is it for this video. I know it was a little short because I forgot to record like half the stuff that happened. Even on the jury day, I have no idea how I completely forgot that I was recording. I have a few pictures of my work display though, and about the jury, it actually went really well. Like, it was chill. The panel we got was luckily really good and they did not really ask us a lot of questions and actually heard what we were saying. They gave us feedback for our work as well after we were done presenting. So yeah, it was good. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.